So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we will learn about circulatory system, and today we will consider the blood. So ensure to stay to the end of this video, as this is a very important topic in your biology. Also, we have a revision exam question for you at the end of this video. If you have not seen our videos on heart and blood vessels, also ensure to check out those videos, as they will help you to understand this lesson better. So the blood is a fluid form of tissue. It is a connective tissue with the sole function of transporting materials. Actually, there are four things making up the blood: the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the platelets, and then the plasma. So the job of the red blood cells is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the cells in all the parts of the body. Their shape is biconcave, almost looking like a donut, and this gives them a large surface area for absorption of the oxygen. The red blood cells do not have nucleus. This also gives room for more oxygen to be contained. Also, there is a red pigment in the red blood cell known as hemoglobin. Now this hemoglobin binds with oxygen in the lungs to form oxyhemoglobin. So this oxyhemoglobin is moved from the lungs to the cells of other parts of the body. So when it gets to the cells, the oxygen and hemoglobin will split. So the oxygen is being taken up by the cells. Well, the white blood cells, on the other hand, are known to fight infections. So how do they do this? Well, some of them can change shape, and they are able to engulf and eat up microorganisms. This process is actually known as phagocytosis. Some of them can also produce chemicals like antibodies to fight the microorganisms, or they can produce antitoxins to destroy the toxins produced by microorganisms. So unlike the red blood cells, the white blood cells actually do have nucleus. So platelets are tiny fragments of cells that perform the major function of clotting. So lack of platelets can cause excessive bleeding and bruising. So finally, the plasma is the liquid that carries everything in the blood. So in the plasma, you'll find food substances like glucose and amino acids. You will also find antibodies and antitoxins, hormones, some proteins known as plasma proteins, urea from the kidney, and so on. So guys, here is an important fact to note, a quick one. The more red blood cells you have, the more oxygen can get to your cells. So if you have more red blood cells, you have more oxygen transported to the cells. So finally guys, here is a practice question for your biology exam. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.